What if you could step into a space where innovation isn't just discussed, it's experienced? Here at the Manufacturing Innovation Center, we've completely changed the paradigm, a game changer. Customers can step into a live environment, see the mechanics behind complex processes, and even feel the results firsthand. This isn't just a presentation, and this is innovation you can touch.
MIC is a showcase of the value our new representation of the world is providing to our customers. Here we are exploring the art of possibles. This center helps us reimagine the way we're going to manufacture faster, smarter, cleaner, how much more efficient we're going to be, model, test, optimize, validate, execute, and introduce a true notion of design for supply chain.
Our customers needed a way to easily address the challenges they had, but do so in such a way that did not require a large capital investment. By having an off-site facility that has world-class solutions, we are providing a center for you to look at new processes, new ways of tackling solutions in a way that doesn't impact production.
This center demonstrates what we can do from green efficiencies, from reduction in waste, as well as collaboration. It really is bridging the gap between our academic institutions, our industry partners, and our customers to build this collaboration, to prove to our customers, to demonstrate and show what is possible, to see the power and the value that we can deliver. It's not just about growth, it's about responsibility, it's about sustainability. Workforce development is absolutely key. We're making sure that we're upskilling and reskilling the workforce of the future. This place was created with students, for students, to repatriate manufacturing across all industries. That's exactly what we're trying to do and demonstrate here at the MIC Center.
Welcome to Wichita State University and the Manufacturing Innovation Center.
Please come and join.
Come out and join us at the MIC Center so we can show you what we can do for you.
Thank you.